Welcome back to the Kids Learning channel. Today we're going on an exciting journey to learn the alphabet. Let's start our alphabet adventures, kids.
The first letter is A, is for apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are very good for your health. The apple waves and smiles, showing its shiny red skin. B is for ball. Woo-hoo. Come on, kids, let's play with the ball. The ball bounces around the screen, inviting the kids to play. C is for cat. Look at the cute, fluffy cat. The cat purrs and stretches, looking adorable. D is for dog. Dogs are loyal and playful friends. The dog wags its tail and barks happily. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals and are very gentle. The elephant trumpets and swings its trunk. F is for fish. Fish live in water and are very graceful swimmers. The fish swims around, blowing bubbles. G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and can reach high up in the trees. The giraffe stretches its neck to munch on some leaves. H is for hen. Hens lay eggs happily. The hen clucks and lays an egg. I is for ice cream. Yummy. Who loves ice cream? The ice cream cone waves, looking delicious with sprinkles on top. J is for Jeep. Let's go on an adventure in the Jeep. The Jeep drives around the screen, honking its horn. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos can jump really high. The kangaroo hops around, waving to the kids. L is for lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. The lion roars proudly. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to climb and play. The monkey swings from a tree branch and makes playful noises. N is for nest. Birds build nests to live in. The nest holds a few cute baby birds chirping. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. The orange smiles and shows its juicy segments. P is for parrot. Parrots can talk and have bright feathers. The parrot squawks and flaps its wings. Q is for queen. Queens rule kingdoms and wear beautiful crowns. The queen waves regal and smiles. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. The rabbit hops around and wiggles its nose. S is for sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool and go ba. The sheep laughs softly and looks fluffy. T is for tiger. Tigers have stripes and are very strong. The tiger roars and prowls around. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. The umbrella opens up and twirls around. V is for violin. Violins make beautiful music. The violin plays a short, sweet melody. W is for watermelon. Watermelons are sweet and refreshing,
Yummy,
especially
yummy.
on a hot day. The watermelon slices open, showing its juicy red interior and smiles. X is for xylophone. Xylophones make fun sounds when you play them. The xylophone plays a cheerful tune with each bar lighting up as it is played. Y is for yak. Yaks are strong animals with long hair that keep them warm. The yak trots around and shakes its fur, looking friendly. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and live in Africa. The zebra trots around, showing off its stripes and neighs. Great job, kids. You've learned all the letters from A to Z. Remember to practice and have fun with the alphabet. See you next time on Alphabet Adventures. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.